You know, in the world of engineering, you have people who keep the present running smoothly, and then you have the people who are busy building the future. Today, we're looking at the profile of Sheriff Mumdouh, a mechatronics engineer who actually does both. He's a problem solver who's not just here to fix today's challenges, but to architect the solutions for tomorrow. Let's dive in and see how.
So, here's our game plan for this breakdown. We're going to start with what it means to be a modern engineer. Then, we'll dig into the solid academic foundation he's built. From there, we'll see the impact he's made in the professional world, check out some really cool projects he's built from scratch, and wrap it all up with a look at his complete technical toolkit.
All right, first up, let's really unpack what it means to be a modern engineer. Because in today's world, it's not enough to just be great in one little niche. It's all about versatility. Being able to look at a problem from the mechanical side, the electrical side, and the software side to find that one perfect solution.
And that brings us right to the heart of Sheriff's identity. He's a mechatronics engineer. This isn't just a gearhead or a coder. It's the person who understands how all those pieces, the hardware, the electronics, the code, have to work together in perfect harmony. I mean, this is the skill set that drives everything from smart factories to self-driving cars.
But you don't just wake up with a skill set this broad. It takes some serious work. It's all built on a solid foundation of academic and specialized training. That's the bedrock that supports every complex system he can build.
Everything starts here, with his formal degree in mechatronics from Zagazig University. This is where he got that deep theoretical grasp of all the core engineering principles. But as we all know, theory is really only half the story.
And this, right here, is what shows you the dedication. He didn't just get his degree and call it a day. He went out and got specialized diplomas in really high-demand fields like embedded systems, both with AVR and Linux, plus a super practical course in HVAC. That shows a real drive to master the tools that industries are actually using right now.
So, he's got this powerful foundation, but where did he go to prove it? Let's take a look at the impact he's had out in the field, specifically in the super demanding, high-stakes world of advanced manufacturing.
Check out this career path. It tells a really clear story of trust and rapid growth. I mean, to start as a team leader at a huge company like Oppo, and then, in less than a year, earn a maintenance engineer role at Honor, that shows he made an impact. And he made it fast.
So, as a team leader at Oppo, his job was way more than just handing out tasks. He was leading a team through really complex technical problems. He was training them and making them better. And, this is crucial, he was thinking ahead, implementing preventative maintenance. This wasn't about just fixing machines. It was about building a stronger, more efficient team.
Now, in his current role at Honor, you can see that trust has just expanded. He's not only making sure the machinery runs perfectly to minimize downtime, but he's also training other technical teams, creating detailed reports for management, and even overseeing critical things like power installations. He's gone from a team-focused to having a facility-wide impact.
Doing great work in a corporate setting is one thing, but what happens when an engineer gets to build something from pure imagination? Let's switch gears now from maintenance to creation and check out his hands-on project portfolio. Yeah, this is the question that separates an operator from a true innovator. We've seen that he can maintain and improve complex systems. Now, let's see what he can create when he starts with a completely blank slate.
And he does not start small. His university graduation project wasn't just some simple little gadget, it was a seriously ambitious system for autonomous vehicle communication. Right away, that tells you he has a passion for solving those big, complex, cutting-edge problems.
So get this, he designed a system where two cars could actually talk to each other, sharing data using GPS and Bluetooth. And he even integrated ADAS features, the smart safety stuff like automatic braking. This is a perfect example of his command of systems integration and his focus on where technology is headed.
Okay, let's scale it down from self-driving cars to something a bit more practical for every day. This project, a door locker security system, is a fantastic showcase of his core embedded system skills. Using the classic 8T-Mega16 microcontroller and integrating a whole suite of drivers, from the keypad and LCD to communications protocols like I2C, he proves he can really get his hands dirty at the component level. This isn't just theory. It's the practical, hands-on ability to build a real, working product from the ground up.
Next up, we have a project that pulls him out of pure electronics and drops him right into large-scale commercial building systems. This just proves his versatility extends to mechanical and environmental engineering too.
And this is so key for any professional role. He's not just playing around here, he's using the industry-standard software.
HAP for analysis, AutoCAD, and DuckSizer for the actual design. This shows he could step into a professional design job and be effective on day one.
So, we've seen the education, we've seen the professional experience, and we've seen the personal projects. Now let's pull it all together into one comprehensive look at his complete technical toolkit.
This toolkit really highlights his capability as a full-stack engineer. Look at his programming skills. He can go from low-level C for microcontrollers all the way to Python and Bash for scripting and automation. His control systems knowledge covers modern PLCs and the fundamentals of pneumatics, and his software skills show he's fluent in both simulation and development. He can take an idea from concept to code to a physical, working thing.
And of course, beyond all the technical skills, he brings professional readiness. He's a native Arabic speaker with a good command of English, his military service is complete, and he's ready for a global role. And, importantly, he's flexible and willing to relocate for the right opportunity.
So after seeing the whole picture, the versatile training, the proven impact in the real world, and that clear passion for creating, the real question isn't if he can solve your next big challenge, it's how quickly can he get started building the solution. If you want to connect with a modern, versatile, and proven engineer who is ready to build what's next, his contact information is right there on the screen. And that wraps up our look into the profile of Sharif Mumdooh.